Alright guys, welcome back for part 2. So on the first part, I created the rugs and I got them finished. I also got the keyboards done. Here's Kai. I also got the keyboards done. I also did a tutorial for the keyboards on how I clean them with scissors and shavers. And now my final step is just to clean these rugs up, and then I'm going to launch my website. So this is the video that's going to be announcing that. And let me show you all the rugs I have ready. These are the rugs that I'm going to be launching. I'm going to launch them for a decent price on my brand new website. One of these is gonna be $1, $20, and $30. So just expect that. I know the $1 is probably gonna go quick. I'm just doing that for the people who really want a rug. You could just pay the shipping and then a cheaper price, and you could just have a keyboard rug or something small. You can take a look at it. I don't know if you guys are gonna use it, or just just have it in the room or something. That's what people always tell me, they want one just to have it in the room. So check it out, and then we're gonna get straight into it. Alright guys, so the website should be officially finished. Check it out. If you guys really want something, then go ahead and cop. If you don't, that's cool too. You're supporting the channel by just watching the videos or just using the links I have in my bio. So I really appreciate you guys. And then this is just a process of me cutting it out from the original tufting backing, and then cutting the edges and gluing them down just to secure everything. And then you'll see me also putting the backing on there, the black felt. So if you want to watch this whole process, go ahead. It's just me getting it done. So make sure you get on that website, guys. I really appreciate you guys for all the support. This is going to be the year. I feel like I'm going to turn this rug business into something bigger than it is right now. So hopefully we can get something going. Make sure you guys leave me some feedback on anything I should change on my website. Anything I should do, just tell me any kind of recommendations, rugs you guys want to see. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Just let me know that you guys, want more content. I'll be making these rugs and posting them all the time, so hopefully we can do something good this year. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you cop the keyboard rug on my brand new website, make sure you let me know that you got it and that you're from YouTube. Just let me know. Just give me a shout out in the comments or something, because if you're supporting my videos, and I'm glad that you got it, And then if you got it from Instagram, let me know that, I want to know where my supporters are coming from. Besides the brand new website, I'm going to still have my Etsy up there as well. So if you want to support the Etsy, I'm going to already have some made to order stuff on there. But I should be transferring everything over to my brand new website. All new photos and everything. It should look pretty clean. Let me know if you guys think I should make it a little bit different. But yeah, besides that, my Etsy's still there. If you want to support, there are coupons in the description still. Alright guys, now that we have all the backing on each of the projects, I got them all stacked up right there, and I have one down here. I grabbed a bunch of glue sticks, got my glue gun plugged in. We're about to just, let me set this down. We're about to just glue all the edges, make sure it's all secure, so that when I do the launch and when the products sell, I want to make sure that all these stay really nice quality and don't come off from the backing, So here's how it looks. We're about to get started, so let me set up the camera and then we'll get going. Alright guys, so first thing I'm going to do, I'll put these away and then I'm going to do one rug at a time. I'm going to shave them down to even them out first, and then I'll detail all of them one after the other. So let's get started. Stack them, scoot them over, and then we're going to start by doing this one. So it didn't really happen here, but sometimes when you vacuum it up, some of the yarn here, like for example, maybe in this far right corner, they'll just start sticking up. And just because the vacuum pulls it up, you are able to go back with the trimmer, and then you should be able to get it. So just keep that in mind. Now onto the green one. This is probably one of my favorite projects just because of the two colored greens in there, and then it contrasts with the orange pretty well, so I like it. Now onto this yellow one. I think it looks kind of like a candy corn, so I mean it's a cool project. I mean, I know there's some people who do like the yellow Kirby just because I've gotten a custom order for that before, so, and it's part of the collection, so it looks really good all together. And this red one is probably my favorite one. I just like how the two dark reds are contrasting really well with the pink and purple, and then the shadow one there looks pretty good too. So I really like this one. It's my favorite. It just looks dope. If you see this one, you're gonna think it's it's eye-catching. Alright guys, so here's the final results of the red Kirby after shaving it all down. You can see all the details. Here's the backing. And here's the pink one. See all the details. Backing. Alright guys, so here's the green one. Here's the back. Here's the yellow Kirby. All the details. Here's the back. Also, keyboard rugs. We're gonna be dropping all three of these for real cheap. Hop on the website, grab them if you want them, just pay shipping, and then whatever price I set them at, definitely not gonna be expensive if you really want one, so make sure you're on there quick. Here's the backings and stuff, details. Real cute little rug, so check it out guys. Alright guys, so if you stuck around for the whole video, I really appreciate you. And I'll see you guys again next time. Here's Kai. Say hi. Or say bye. Alright guys, you guys have a good day. I appreciate you guys. Check out my next video if you want. Definitely gonna come out with the whole collection again. Make sure you guys go in the description. I'm gonna have this linked in a new website. Grab those keyboards because they're gonna go quick, I swear. And I'll show you Kai one more time. Here he is playing with his toys. So, peace out.